Morning guys, it is January 30th, 2023. This one here I got a call from a lady. She's watching a house for her brother. I guess he's in Virginia or whatever, and the sub pump is not working. She called me over the weekend and she said that I could probably wait until Monday. So she was going to call me if it started to flood down there, and she never called over the weekend. So it's Monday. I'm going to go by there and replace the sub pump for him. It's an old dingy cellar. I work down there. He's got a pile of York down there, furnace. He's got a piece of York down there, furnace, and high efficiency 90 plus. And he's got a 410A micro channel condenser outside. That seems to be holding up. But anyway, the sub pump's not working, and it's like I said, it's pretty dingy, stone foundation type of thing. So we'll go down there and replace the sub pump for her. Leave him a bill. He's always paid me, never an issue with these people. So we'll try to get you some shots. Me and Miss Molly are working. Nice day today. It's like 50 degrees out. 50 something degrees out, Molly. You almost got to open the window for you. Oh yeah, yeah. You love the window open. The helicopter, a Grinch, Gumby, and Jed Clampett, the old Jed Clampett. We'll have to build a little shelf there for you or something, Miss Molly. Pretty nice out. I mean, it's 50 degrees. It ain't crazy warm, but nice enough to have the window open. He disconnected it right here. Well, that's split. Well, we could fix that. It just runs out. Flipping thing was tripped. Dumb. Nothing wrong with that. Just have to cut this. Reattach it, and I wonder where they got this plug on there. Where did they got that? There's a ground plug there. I don't know why they got that. Alright, let's fix this thing. Let's give a little cut to it. Fix that. Alright, so I got it disconnected. piece off of this thing. So we could reattach it. Got it unplugged so I could put it in the water, making a pump. I might have to heat that up to get that on there. Sometimes I'm an issue. I'd have to heat it with a torch maybe. I gotta get my torch. Heat that with the torch and it'll go right on there. Yeah, black. I just heat that with the torch. It should go right on there. Should go right on there, slick as shit. A little tech tip, That's a little tech tip. Should go right on there now. Might have to heat it up a little more maybe, no? Look at that. Talk about being slick as shit. Huh? All it takes a little, how you doing, Mom? That's it. I'll be able to plug the thing back in, she should work. It was just off on reset. It is a no-fault breaker down here, so maybe the breaker's faulty. I don't like it's gonna ruin anything down here. Look at the foundation down here. I mean, that's a real shit show. It's a real shit show, man. I don't know why he's got this. Take that off. I want to go use it should kick right on. She's pumping. It's just dumping right out that hose there. That's it. So he uses it. That's how he does it. It didn't take much to pump it, I'll tell you. That's it. Nothing wrong with that pump. I'm not going to sell him another one. Just had to reset it. I'll call her and let her know.